Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen unresponsive or not responding touch issues. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slide to power off. To restart your iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode to unlock. So after restarting your iPhone, so the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So after resetting your settings, after this, the next solution is also update your iPhone to the latest next iOS version. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update to check for update. So guys, if any update available on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So I have the version available, so install. So after installing the new update, the next solution is enable and disable haptic touch. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, tap on 3D and haptic touch, tap to turn this off and turn on again. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.